Hello guys, you cannot transfer funds directly from CoinStats to Cash App. CoinStats is purely a portfolio tracker, not a custodian or wallet. But you can withdraw from the connected crypto wallet or exchange and then move funds into Cash App. And here's how you can do it. So, first identify where your crypto is stored. So, CoinStat only views your funds through connected wallets or exchanges. Use the original platforms like Binance, Coinbase or Ethereum wallet to manage your crypto, not with CoinStats. Now, withdraw your crypto to external wallet or exchange if needed. So, if funds are in an exchange, log in and withdraw them to a wallet you control. If they are already in your wallet, proceed to the next step. Now, third step is cashing out crypto for fiat. So, sell crypto on an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, etc. and withdraw the fiat, that is USD, to your bank. Or you can also send crypto to Cash App's Bitcoin wallet, then sell within the Cash App. In the Cash App, tap the investing button, choose Bitcoin, choose deposit Bitcoin to get your Cash App BTC address. Now send the BTC from your exchange or wallet to that address. Once received, sell the USD within Cash App and tap Cash Out to move USD to your Cash App balance or linked debit card. So, in conclusion, CoinStats doesn't hold or transfer funds. It tracks your crypto. To get money into your Cash App, you need to withdraw from actual holding platform like either convert to USD and bank transfer or send crypto to Cash App's BTC wallet and then sell. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.